Anyone using a two-cylinder system for supplying liquefied gas in a motorhome or caravan will be familiar with the convenience of a remote indicator. It shows inside the vehicle whether the system has already switched over to the reserve cylinder. So when a gas pressure regulator or changeover valve is replaced, the question often arises, can the existing remote indicator still be used? The good news, in many cases, the remote indicator does not need to be replaced. What matters most is the manufacturing date of the new GOK system. With a Caramatic DriveTwo, SwitchTwo or ProTwo manufactured up to September 2022, it is usually particularly straightforward. The existing remote indicator sensor is fitted onto the new unit and the indicator works as usual. For systems manufactured from October 2022 onwards, the existing remote indicator can also still be used in many cases. However, for the indicator to work correctly, a small adjustment is needed using the adapter cable. The principle is simply illustrated. The remote indicator sensor is attached to the system. From there, a cable runs to the control panel inside. The adapter cable is inserted into this connection outside the gas cylinder compartment. Incidentally, for GOK systems manufactured from February 2025 onwards, this adapter cable will no longer be necessary. To be absolutely sure, check the yellow sticker on the cable of the remote indicator sensor. If the number there is greater than 10,939,290, you do not need an adapter cable and can simply attach the remote indicator to the new GOK regulator system or the GOK changeover valve. If the cable connection is not accessible, depending on the installation situation, an adjustment may also be possible at the control unit. However, such work on electrical connections should only be carried out by qualified personnel and must be performed according to the installation and operating instructions. A special case may occur if the indicator remains permanently red after the adjustment. In that case, please follow the instructions in the manual and have the wiring checked by a professional. Important for all work, electrical connections must not be located inside the gas cylinder cabinet. Therefore, make sure that after the modification, no connection points of the adapter cable are left inside the gas cylinder cabinet. This way, an existing remote display can often continue to be used after replacing a DriveTwo, SwitchTwo or ProTwo, provided you pay close attention to the date of manufacture and make the correct adjustments.